In this video, you'll learn how to create portfolio projects using Claude Code. This guide will walk you through the process from selecting a project idea to deploying and showcasing your work. By the end, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how to utilize Claude Code effectively for your portfolio projects. To begin, you need to choose a project idea that highlights your skills. Consider options in various categories such as web development, backend or API design, data analysis or algorithm and data structure applications. For example, you might create a portfolio website, a REST API, or a data analysis dashboard. It is advisable to a smaller project and gradually expand its scope as you become more comfortable with the development process. After selecting your project idea, the next step is to open the Claude Code interface, navigate to the Claude Code platform in your web browser. Once there, start a new coding session by clicking on the New Project button. This action will set up a fresh workspace where you can begin your project. Once you are in the coding session, it's time to ask Claude Code to generate a project plan. You can use a prompt such as generate a project plan for a personal portfolio website in React. Make sure to specify that the plan should include the project description, a list of features, the tech stack, the folder structure, and a step-by-step implementation plan. After submitting your request, Claude Code will provide you with a detailed overview of your project, including a comprehensive list of features and suggested technologies. Next, you will generate code for the project components. For instance, you can request generate React code for the homepage of the portfolio. Specify that you want to include a responsive header, hero section, and navigation menu. If your project involves backend components, you might ask for generate node.js REST API code for a contact form submission. This code generation can be repeated for each feature or module you plan to implement. Once the code is generated, copy it into your local development environment and test it to ensure it functions as intended. After generating and testing your components, it's time to integrate and test everything together. Assemble all the components in your project folder, ensuring that each feature is functioning individually. Take the time to fix any bugs that arise and adjust styles or functionality as necessary to improve the overall user experience. To enhance your project further, you can ask Claude Code to generate additional features. For example, you might request add a dark mode toggle to the portfolio website in React. You can also generate unit tests for your node.js API endpoints or create a readme.md file that includes your project description, features, and setup instructions. These extras will significantly improve the professionalism of your portfolio. The final step is to deploy your project. For front-end projects, you can use platforms such as Netlify, Vercel, or GitHub Pages. For back-end projects, consider services like Render Railway or Heroku. If you have a full-stack application, you can Dockerize it and deploy using Railway. You can ask Claude Code, generate deployment steps for this React and Node.js project on Vercel and Railway. This will provide you with clear instructions on how to successfully deploy your work. Now that you have deployed your project, it's essential to document and showcase your work effectively. Create a readme.medim file that includes clear instructions for users, along with screenshots and a demo link. Be sure to add a detailed project description and provide links to your portfolio or LinkedIn profile, allowing others to easily access your work.